In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to additives a countdown timer to your Wix website via HTML coding. Remember, this process might initially sound complex due to the mention of coding, but fear not. It's simple, straightforward, and I will help you understand each step in an easy, beginner-friendly manner. Firstly, we need to generate the HTML code for a countdown timer. To do this, navigate to any online tool that allows you to create HTML codes for countdown timers such as ChatGPT, which we'll be using for this tutorial. Follow the instructions on this website to generate your unique timer code. Once the code has been generated, ensure to copy it in its entirety. Having done that, let's now move on to the Wix editor. This is where we'll be adding the countdown timer to your website. If you're already logged into your Wix account, navigate to the website editor. Alternatively, log in and select the site you're interested in adding the timer to. Then click on the Edit Site button. In your Wix editor, you will find a plus button or an add icon, often represented as a plus symbol. This is located on the left side of your editor. Click on this plus button to display a list of elements you can add to your site. Having done that, it's now time to navigate to the Embed option, which resides within this list. After clicking on the Embed option, it will reveal additional options. Here, don't be overwhelmed. Simply locate the HTML iframe option and drag it to the area of the page where you want your countdown timer to be displayed. Once the HTML iframe is located in your desired spot, it's now time to incorporate the code we initially generated for our timer. To do this, click on the Enter Code button and then paste the HTML code you copied earlier into the text box. Make sure all the code is correctly pasted. With the code in place, hit the Apply button. Doing this will embed the countdown timer into your page. Now, click on Preview to see your newly embedded countdown timer in action. You could adjust the size and positioning as needed. Just always ensure to save your changes before leaving the editor. With these steps dutifully followed and executed, you now have a fully functional countdown timer on your Wix site. Take a moment, admire your work, and pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Just that, and you've successfully added your very own countdown timer. I hope this makes your website even better and more engaging for your visitors.